In this video, I'm gonna show you how I created a fully customized website using anti-gravity. I will start from scratch by building a complete website without any images. Then I will analyze the layout, create implementation plan for images, then generate custom assets using Freepik. Then I finally connect everything with one powerful prompt. So let's go step by step. So this is anti-gravity and this is where we're gonna create everything. So first, paste the prompt. The first prompt is all about creating the foundation, the structure. So for that, let's copy the prompt. Right over here, I created all this list of prompts. First prompt is this. I'm gonna copy this and come over here and paste the prompt. Add the reference image. Here you need to make sure it's planning mode. Here we're gonna be using Gemini 3 Flash and then we're gonna just send it. And this will create all the structure. As you can see, we have created all the structure and now let's paste the prompt one by one and get that website. And we have pasted all the prompt and got a decent website. I'll show you. So this is a decent website we got and there is no image because we need to add that personally. So this is the website and it's really looking fine. And now our job is to add images. Now for that, let's find where we need to create the images and what size. For that, let's come over to anti-gravity and here we're gonna paste the prompt which will give you an overview of all the images or need to create in order to complete this website. Come over here and then paste that prompt here and enter. And this will analyze everything, map out the places we need to create images. So let's wait for it. Adding that prompt, this is the result. This is the image implementation plan we got. In the hero section we need an image and this is a size 60:9 and then in scroll down there is product storytelling section and there we need an image too with the size to 1:1 and then we have product storytelling sections and here 1:1 images and there is step-by-step process card, 3 cards with the 3:2. First step, second step, third step. These are the images into art. Images we need to create for these 3 cards. Now we have the social icons and we need an icon for that. And that's it. These are the 5 places we need to add images and yeah, let's create that one by one. So I have created prompts for all the sections, the hero section, the product story section and product storytelling section for overlay, then step by step cards, first card, second card and third card and also social icons. So I created the prompts and now let's use that on Freepik. This is where I'm gonna use that prompt to create the images. Come over to image generation. So this is where we're gonna paste the prompt one by one and you need to remember that is you select this manually. First let's copy the first prompt for hero section and that is 60:9. So come over here and paste the prompt and yeah, and 60:9 which is a widescreen. Click that and then go to generate. So this is the image we got from Freepik and it's a wonderful image and really like it. Now let's download that. Come over here and download. Just like that, we're gonna create prompts by copying the prompt and pasting right over here and selecting the correct pixel. Let's do that. So I have created the folder called images and add all the images we have created using Freepik. So we have all the images and I named it correctly like pancake, product main, and these are you need to remember all the image name because to create the prompt you need to add the name of the images. So be careful with that. Now let's add this image folder to our public folder. So let's create a public folder here. Public. And here we're gonna add the images right over here. So we have added the image to the public folder and now let's paste the prompt that will tell the anti-gravity that these are the images and then add that image to the website. So let's do that. Paste that prompt right over here. So go to Chrome and this is the prompt I'm gonna paste. Copy the prompt and come over to anti-gravity and here let's paste the prompt. So copy and paste. So this is the prompt and we gonna just hit enter. And that's it. We have completed everything and the anti-gravity just finished the implementation plan of image implementation plan and that was a final prompt we give to anti-gravity. Now let's go to Chrome and yeah, this is the result. When you scroll down, everything is really looking fine. These are the images we created and yeah, when you scroll down, okay, each sections are really defined. And yeah, that's it. We created the personalized website for bed today, and really you can find. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next awesome video. Thank you.